So today we're up in Pasadena for the Pasadena Tournament of Roses Sip and Savor event.
Yeah, the inaugural event.
First year.
Yeah.
And we're starting the day off by checking out some of the float decorating that's happening over here. We've got the UW float behind us, it looks like, and some other stuff. So we're gonna check all of this out as Katie follows around and show you what the Sip and Savor event's like. Let's find a place in a minute.
Definitely something.
We just went on a tour of the making of the Rose Parade floats.
Yeah.
And it was really interesting because they showed what types of glue and what types of petals, flower petals they used for making the different floats and the different colors, and that was really interesting. And it's funny for how precise they are, how there's also an element of just kind of slap it on.
Oh yeah, because they just glue it and they have like just a bucket kind of, and they just go.
It was pretty cool to see. And I actually kind of want to go back there and look some more in a little bit to see the progress that's made through this. But now we are in the Sip and Savor arena, I'm going to call it.
Sure.
And they've got so many options here. We just had some Lucille's that was absolutely wonderful because you can never get too much pulled pork.
True.
And their spicy barbecue sauce was ridiculously good. I've never been brave enough to try it before, being from northern Minnesota. That can be issue, spicy sometimes, but I'm building this up and it was delicious. And we're about to hear Hard Day's Night play. Looks like they're about to get started over there in just a minute. They've got new uniforms on than what we saw a few minutes ago. And moving forward in time, I'm guessing. But, oh, you can hear them. So we're gonna stop for now and enjoy some of the sip and savoring, and we'll show you a little bit of Hard Day's Night.
I'll help you, Penny. Or...
One, two, three, flash.
finished the first set of Suburban Legends, which is definitely a highlight of the night.
It's
and
40 something degrees. It's really cold.
It's a little bit cool.
And it's amazing how they're still so high energy.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun, and there's been some fantastic food and drinks here. I think my favorite is still the, what's the chicken place?
Crack Shack.
Crack Shack, which is in Pasadena, and it's also in Century City nearby. And that so far has been my favorite because it's like this crispy, a little bit spicy fried chicken sandwich that's ridiculously good. But there's been some other good stuff. There was some Italian stuff that was good, and there's a I don't know what it was, the Asian place over there. But anyway, there's a lot of good food options here. Tons of different drinks to try. There's a place for the kids. There's looking over there, there's a brewery that's pretty cool if you want to stay a little bit warmer.
Lounges.
And lounges as well. Definitely a lot of different options, but I think the number one thing that's just the top of the top for everything is the entertainment.
Oh, absolutely.
You've got Hard Day's Night, you've got Mariachi Divas, you had a guy playing dulcimer earlier, and then you've got Suburban Legends now, and through the weekend they've got Suburban Legends coming back, and some other 80s All-Stars are going to be here, so fantastic lineup. It's really a great environment to be in. It's not too insane, it's very relaxing,
just very fun.
And then you've got all the floats being built right over there, which is really cool to stop by and see. So I feel like it's kind of this Rose Parade smorgasbord of things to do and experience before the Rose Parade when you get up super early after staying up super late.
Yeah.
And so if you don't catch it this year, definitely stop by next year, assuming that they do this again, because I think I would enjoy doing that. Parking was easy, traffic wasn't terrible, definitely worth the drive up from Orange County.
Yeah.
Wonderful moment. Totally designed by students, engineering students.
So it's been an absolutely fantastic afternoon, evening, all the above here at the Sip and Savor experience for the Rose Parade and all of that fun stuff. Definitely come by and check it out. It's a lot of fun. You get to see the floats, you get to have some fantastic food and drink, and the entertainment's absolutely fantastic. Don't miss that. And what was your favorite thing from the whole day?
I really liked getting to see the floats up close, just because it's such a unique opportunity. You don't really get a lot.
Yeah. And seeing the progress throughout the day too.
Yeah, because we just went back in and we got to see things that.
Want me to get your picture for you?
No, we're good.
Thank you.
No,
we're okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
You have really nice staff offering to take your picture.
Exactly.
But yeah, we saw things earlier in the day that we came back and we saw how it had.
The progress.
Yeah, how it grown.
Absolutely really cool. And make sure to watch the. I think it'll be even more fun, as I'm saying, to watch the Rose Parade, to see these floats in the Rose Parade on Tuesday, and that'll be a blast as well.
You've seen the faces behind them and all that stuff.
So make sure to subscribe to our channel, DAPS Magic. Make sure to check out Sip and Savor. You'll love all the things that are going on.
Seriously.
And let us know what you're most intrigued by our coverage.